How to fix WhatsApp you recently connected on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp you recently connected on Android phone. First go to settings and then click this three lines here, and now click settings, and then click this one, notifications, not notifications, click account, and here click privacy, and here we'll find this one, last seen and online. Just click nobody here, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just wait. um, and that's it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings, go to apps, and then apps, and type here WhatsApp. Now just clear cache, and then force stop, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.